welcome back to my channel and to a new video. I hope you're well and having a lovely day. It is a beautiful spring day here today. The first probably beautiful spring day I think we've had. I think some people have had some nice weather, but it's been raining here pretty much non-stop for the last God knows how many months, and I think it's going to be raining for the next couple of weeks. But I've got a spring haul for you, just a few little bits for a mini haul that I bought today, because I want to do I think at the end of the video there'll be like a little house tour of my spring Easter decor. But usually, if you've watched my channel for a while, you will know that usually I'd go all out at Easter, do proper Easter decor, but it hasn't really felt like Easter's early, obviously this year, being next weekend, and it's not felt like Easter, it's not felt like spring, and so I haven't really wanted to put up any decor really. It's felt too early. My winter stuff is still up. I've got winter white spruce candle there, I've got my fir trees, I've got my little tree up there, you can't see it, but yeah, all my winter stuff is still up. But I think it's time, certainly today it feels like it's time for it to all come down. It probably will feel like winter again tomorrow, but so what I wanted to do was, rather than put all my Easter decor up, I thought I'd just put up the bits that are kind of spring-like, that can stay up a bit longer, because if I put like eggs and all that stuff on my Easter egg tree and things, I feel like it's going to be up a week and then it's going to have to come down again, and I just can't be bothered, to be quite honest. So I'm going to leave that for this year. I might put a few little eggs around, but that's it, and then most of the stuff I'm going to put out will be like spring related. So I wanted to go out and get a few more things that were more spring-like, and I did get a few, but there wasn't much, to be honest. I went to Dunelm, The Range, Asda, Matalan, Primark and Homesense today. Or I went to Milton Keynes and did a little drive around and went to all of those places. I got some bits that I wanted. I wanted some new bedding for our room, which I did get. I wasn't 100% happy with the one I got. It's okay. It's not exactly what I wanted, but it's fine. I went and looked at I went to Asda because I wanted to look at the Stacey Solomon range, but although a lot of it's really lovely, it's not cheap like some of the decor. It's not like really cheap. It's good value, I would say, but also a lot of the bedding and the cushions and stuff are just really frilly. Like the edges are all really frilly, which is nice if you like that sort of thing, but it's just not me. And I hummed and hawed and I was like, I just didn't think it was me, so I didn't get anything from there. But yeah, I did get a few other things. Anyway, I'll stop talking and just show you what I've got, and then at the end I'll do a little montage of everything out in the house and you can see what it all looks like. So first of all, in Dunelm, I found, so I was looking for a Gypsophila wreath. The White Company do one and it is beautiful, and I wanted one, and I'd seen online that they did one in Dunelm. However, I couldn't find it. I looked everywhere. They did a lavender wreath, and I think that was all. So what I did get, I picked up this Gypsophila. Is it Gypsophila, isn't it? Not Ophelia. Yeah, Gypsophila. These little bunches, which I thought I could put maybe the odd sprig in some little vases, or I could put them all in one vase like that, which would look really nice. I mean, I love getting real stuff, but it doesn't last very long. So this will last forever because it's plastic. And these were £4 a bunch, which I didn't think was too bad. So I got 3 bunches, so I thought that would look nice in a vase, or as I say, in several vases. It does molt. It's got it all over the back seats of my car. So yeah, I got those. And then also in Dunelm, I did buy, which I haven't got to show you because I've given it, but a new lampshade for his bedroom. He had a blue lampshade with white stars all over it that he's had since we've moved here 8 years ago. So he was 11, he's now nearly 20. So he probably needed a new one. And actually, I think he kicked a soft football at it. So he's nearly 20. He kicked a soft football at it the other day, and the bottom half of it all smashed off. I mean, it's only plastic, but it had just got so old that, you know, when plastic gets old, it just breaks and snaps. So he needed a new one anyway. So I got him a nice navy blue plain lampshade for his room. So I got that as well. And then also in Dunelm, I picked up this jute woven table runner, which was £12, and I thought this would look really nice on the kitchen tables. So I've got, actually, what I did buy from, not this not this time, but last time I went to Asda, which was before Christmas, I think it was autumn time, I bought the Stacey Solomon linen tablecloth. It's really nice. It needs a good iron because I've washed it before Christmas and I haven't used it since. But I thought that would look really nice on the tablecloth with this on top, and then some bits of decor that I already own for Easter. So yeah, I got that and I thought that was really nice, £12. And that was all I bought in Dunelm. And then I went round the corner to the range and I managed to pick up a gypsophila wreath. So it's not as nice as the, it needs a bit of teasing. It's not as nice as the White Company one, obviously. Theirs is really full and sort of round. I thought potentially I could use some of these and weave them on to make it a bit thicker. I could do if I wanted to. I might not. I don't know. I'll see. But either way, I do like that. And you know, the fact is that this could last through. I mean, last all year, but this could be fine up, you know, through the winter, through the summer. I don't have a summer wreath or anything, and my Easter one has just got all Easter eggs on, so I'm definitely not going to use that this year. So I thought this would actually be better and will look really pretty on the front door. So that got that one, and that was £12. It might have been £12.99, but something like that anyway. So I was really pleased with that. So after that I went to Asda to look at their stuff, and I said I didn't buy anything there. Then I went to Matalan and I thought I would buy some stuff there. Couldn't find anything I liked in there either. They did have some nice eucalyptus and ivy sort of garlands, which I would have bought if I could find one. They had them on, like, decorating the stands and stuff where the stuff was on display in the shop, but I couldn't actually find them in the shop. So I don't know whether they were just for decoration or whether they actually sold them. I don't know. But I couldn't find it, so I didn't get one. They had some nice bedding in there. It was like cream with green like leaves and stuff on, which I actually really liked. Exactly sort of what I was looking for. I was like, oh, perfect. It was £15. I was like, that's amazing. That's really cheap. But when I picked it up, it was that really, and it was their Easy Care range, but it was that really silky, cheap, nylon-y feeling material. I mean, it's great because it doesn't go, it doesn't crease when you wash it, so it's great to put it straight back onto a bed. However, it just feels cheap and nasty. Phoebe's duvet cover is made of that. She really likes it, but I just don't like it. Don't like sleeping in it, so I didn't buy that one, so that was a shame. So after I left there, I went to Primark, and in Primark I picked up some, I had a look at their bedding, and they didn't have anything the sort of colour or style that I liked. However, they did have some sheets that I liked, so I picked up this fitted sheet, which I thought was lovely. I've never had sort of patterned sheets before. I had like coloured but not patterned, and I just thought that was really nice. So I picked up that for £13, and then 2 pillowcases to go with for £5. So that sort of set the tone of what bedding I was looking for. I mean, I would have been happy just with plain like green or plain like a beige or a linen would have been really nice, but I just couldn't find anything anywhere. So I did buy a few other things in Primark. I'll just show you because they're here, but I literally just bought some basics. I bought some vest tops. I bought a sort of sagey green one and a nudie coloured one, and then I bought it's got this gypsophila stuff all over it. I bought a vest top like that, and like an ordinary ribbed one, and I bought some socks. So those were like £2 each. £3 for that one and £2 for the other ones. And then these socks, which I thought were really nice. They are like blister resist trainer socks. Not that I get blisters, but I thought they might be comfy. And they were £4.50. So that was that. Not Spring Decor, but thought I'll show you anyway. And then I went to Homesense. And a bit, I thought I might pick up some other sort of decor, like vases or little rabbits or anything, and they had a few, but nothing that really floated my boat, if you like. Lots of like Easter eggs and brightly coloured pastels and stuff. I just wanted more neutral stuff, but I didn't have anything that I liked, but I did find these, which I thought were very cute. I can get all the flipping plastic off them. These were £6.99, and it's this little bundle of carrots, and I thought they were really cute. And they are like, they're almost yeah, that one's like a Borg one. They're almost like Jellycat type. They bundled together with a little bit of jute string. As I said, they were $6.99. They did have a whole bag full of ones which were made of jute, like wrapped round, which I picked up first. Actually, they were $7.99, but they were like orange and this colour. And then Phoebe found these, and actually I think, oh no, she didn't. She found something else, this massive great big lamb thing. I was like, no, don't want that. But I found these on another shelf and I like these better, so I got those. And then I did get some bedding, and I got this was $34.99. As I say, it wasn't exactly what I was after, but I do think it'll look nice. So it's this, and you see it's got like a very thin pinstripe and this tiny little bit of lace. I showed it to Andrew, it's like, it's a bit girly. I was like, well, it's not really, I mean, it's literally, that is it, the tiny bit of lace. And then it's got buttons. You see, there we go. It's got little buttons on the pillowcases, I think, and along the top. Yeah, and along the top. You can see it on there. There you go. So I just thought that would be nice, very neutral for our room. Yeah, I thought that would just look nice. So that was $34.99, and that's everything that I bought. Oh no, it's not. We bought some Sharpies for Phoebe. They were £3.99. So that's everything that I bought. So I'm probably not going to put these out today because it is now, it's Sunday. It's now 4:15, and I need to start preparing our roast dinner. So I think I'll put these away and I will do it all tomorrow. Hopefully the sun will be shining tomorrow, and I'll put them out and make everything look nice. I've got to go through my boxes of decor that I've already got and pick out things that I want to use, and keep stuff in the attic that I don't want to use this year, like, as I say, all the AE stuff. So yeah, I'll put everything nicely and lay it all out and put everything looking lovely, and then I will film that and you'll see that right now. hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe down below if you're not already. I hope you have a really happy Easter if you celebrate it. If not, I hope you have a nice long weekend. We are doing not very much, I don't think. We've got some dancey stuff going on, but other than that, not very much. So I'm looking forward to a relaxing few days, and I will see you after Easter in my next video. See you then. Bye.
Told me more than once to show you my intention. My brain gets blocked at times, but now somehow I'll give you my attention.